Class 9th Geography, Chapter Pollution, Types and Sources. Let us begin with the chapter. Environmental damage caused by improper management of resource or by careless human activity results in pollution of atmosphere. Any activity that violates the original character of nature and leads to its degradation is called pollution. A substance that causes pollution is called a pollutant. For example, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. Pollutants may be biodegradable like domestic garbage or non-biodegradable like glass, plastic, etc. The earth and its environment are facing a serious threat by the increasing pollution in air, water and soil. Types and sources of pollution. We need to understand the sources of these pollutants and find ways to control pollution. This can also be done by making people aware of its effect. The major sources of pollution have affected the natural resources. The main types of environmental pollution are air pollution, water pollution, fresh and marine, soil pollution, radiation pollution and noise pollution. Air pollution. Contamination of air by natural and human sources is called air pollution. Primary air pollutants. Air pollution occurs when large amounts of gas and tiny particles are released into the air and the ecological balance is disturbed. Primary air pollutants are the pollutants which are directly released into the air. They are called SPM, that is suspended particulate matter. For example, smoke, dust, ash, sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide and radioactive compounds. Secondary pollutants are pollutants which are formed due to chemical interactions between the atmospheric components and primary pollutants. Example, smog, that is smoke and fog, and ozone. Major gaseous air pollutants include carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. Natural sources of air pollution are volcanic eruptions, forest fires, dust storms, etc. Man-made sources are automobiles, industries, burning of garbage and brick kilns. Next is water pollution. Fresh water and marine water both are getting polluted due to various factors like sewage, domestic waste, industrial waste, agricultural waste, nuclear waste, oil spills and thermal pollution. Sources of freshwater pollution. Water pollution may be caused due to natural as well as human resources. Natural sources. The natural sources are gases, animal waste, living organisms, soil, minerals and other pollutants soluble in water. The poisonous minerals like nickel, cobalt, lead and mercury are also responsible for polluting the water. Human sources, urbanization and industrialization have resulted in excessive water pollution. The human sources of water pollution are as follows: sewage and domestic waste, industrial waste, agricultural waste, nuclear waste, oil spills, thermal pollution. Sources of marine pollution. Marine commerce, industrial effluents joining seas and oceans, dumping of radioactive substances into seawater, sewage brought to the sea by rivers, offshore oil rigs, recreational activities, agricultural pollutants brought to the sea by rivers. Next is soil pollution. Soil or land pollution results from deposition of solid waste, accumulation of biodegradable material, toxification of chemicals into poisonous chemical compositions. The main sources of soil pollution are industrial waste, urban, commercial and domestic waste, chemical fertilizers, biomedical waste and pesticides. Next is radiation pollution. The emission of highly charged particles and electromagnetic rays entering the Earth's atmosphere from outer space. Sources of radiation pollution may be natural or man-made. Natural, the cosmic rays emit radioactive radiation which is very harmful to living organisms. It pollutes life-supporting systems like air, water and soil. Man-made sources, wastewater from nuclear power stations, waste generated during nuclear weapon testing, mining and processing of uranium ore, waste from research laboratories where radioscopes are used, waste generated from hospitals where isotopes are used for diagnostic and therapeutic purposes, X-rays waste, nuclear accidents and nuclear bomb explosions, radio tracers extensively used in medicine. Noise pollution. Any sound that causes annoyance is regarded as noise and is considered as a source of pollution. Sources of noise pollution. People living in cities are exposed to the maximum noise pollution consisting of blaring horns and screeching tires of buses, trucks, cars and scooters. The landing and takeoff of jet planes also add to the noise pollution. The machines in factories and industries and their whistling sounds, crushing noise and thundering sounds are also a source of noise pollution. Noise pollution is also caused by loudspeakers, bands, loud music and mining activities. Blasting of rocks and the earth, drilling tube wells, ventilation fans, heavy earth moving machinery at construction sites also add to the noise pollution. We will continue this chapter in the next video.